My name is Sean Kelly. I'm Director of Transmission Excellence. We're a company that sells software and consultancy services. We provide these to the offshore wind industry and to the European electricity transmission industry. Now, a lot of what we do requires us to consider the reliability of submarine cables. For instance, we have TX Array, which is our software for designing the layout of array cables, the cables inside an offshore wind farm. And one of the many things it considers when doing the design work is how many turbines can be disconnected if a cable fails. I'll be talking more about this at the Submarine Cable Installation and Reliability Forum in Amsterdam this May. I'll look at how our software products consider reliability when designing array cables and export cables. And in particular, I'll look at how we use an economic approach, not a purely technical approach, when we do this. I've presented at this conference a couple of times before. I found it to be a great opportunity to meet people and talk to people in the industry and to exchange ideas. So I hope I'll see you there. Thank you very much.